So, what are you up to today, dear?
Getting the snow off the roof.
Why?
Because there's about anywhere from 2 to 3 feet of snow on the roof, and it hasn't really been melting off. It's been compacting, and after much deliberation, I've become extremely concerned about how much weight's on the house.
Do you think we might lose the whole house because of snow this time, not fire?
Not now, because Timmy and I cleared 50% of the roof from the ridge down about halfway.
Yeah, your son came and helped.
So basically the roof is clear in the center, pretty much the whole length of the house, and the breezeway's clear. But what I am concerned about is when it starts raining is water damming up on this snow. And of course we didn't put in picture things for ice dams because we're told we didn't need to at this altitude. And it wasn't required, and it would have been a lot more money.
Well, what didn't you put in?
We didn't put in bitch-a-thing for ice damming.
Bitch-a-thing.
That's where you put bitch-a-thing on your eaves.
Bitch-a-thing. That's a word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My homemade roof rake.
This is Thomas's homemade roof rake. It's a 2x4 attached to a PVC pipe. It's quite a custom-made job there, dear. I'm proud of your roof rake technology and your newfound skills.